Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again. I have to do this on my phone. Just come down to have a check and see what's going on. I came down because they're meant to have a delivery of our potatoes and that. And I wanted to get some things in, so I said I might as well just come up to the plot and see what's going on. So I'm just trying to quickly film everything because I've got to go and help them take some of the stuff out of the thing. And you see now, this is what I'm talking about. I've put the bricks there, and then they want to still go under the bricks. So that is going to be a constant problem with this, whether I don't know whether it's mice or voles or what it is, but I've got to go all around my polytunnel and see where they're going in. See, my garlics are looking really nice. I've got to clear out this bed. My rosemary's coming back now, so that's what's going on. I've got to just do this because we're not going to be around on Friday. I've got a funeral to go to up north, so I thought I'd just come down and get my potatoes while I can. See all my daffodils and bulbs coming through now. So whatever this is now, it's just going to be a constant pain in the neck. I'll just have a look and see if they're still digging. Sorry about the video, but just come down to see what's going on in there. Let's see if they're still, it looks like they're still coming under the brick, so that's not going to be working for me. They're just a pain in the neck. They haven't dug up anything in these ones since I dug them over. See my carrots and everything, my thyme, they haven't done any more digging in here. So that's the main thing. So it's just a quick video. Sorry it's moving around so quick. These are my strawberries and my other strawberries. So just doing everything. It might be a short video, but just gonna go back up and give them a hand. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. It's just really getting to me now with these pests. I've got to sort this out. All this digging, what they're doing is just unnecessary digging. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll get back to you. Sorry about the video quality and everything, but I just thought I'd just do a quick video so you got something to watch. The onions are coming along nicely now, and everything is coming along nicely. So just got to do what we can do now, and this bed is all getting on okay. So I'm going to go for now, and you take care, and I'll see you all on the next one.